You can't debate with me that the car behind me is beautiful, but it didn't always look like this. I bought this 2023 Nissan Z from the auction when it was crashed. This was the first 2023 Nissan Z rebuild on YouTube, so it was quite the journey figuring out how to get it back on the road and drive it. You guys can check out the full series on our YouTube channel up here, but in this video, we're gonna go through and see how much it actually costed to fully rebuild this car. First, the car itself, we bought on auction for $24,000 and paid $1,700 in auction fees. Delivery from Missouri to Minnesota was $500. When the car was delivered, for some reason, the car didn't have keys, even though when I was buying it, it did have keys in the listing. So we had to bring the car to the dealer and make a new key. That costed $410. The 2 airbags we had to buy costed $986. This car needed a lot of parts replaced. We had to replace the front bumper, the door, the rear quarter panel skin, and a whole lot of other miscellaneous pieces, all which added up to $5,860. This car looked like it had side swipe damage, and so this door was unfixable, and this quarter panel was also not savable. We had to cut out the skin and completely replace it. The framework to be able to cut out the skin panel and weld on a brand new one was $1,200. And the part that messed me up the most, the thing that I did not think would cost this much, was the paint. We had to paint the quarter panel, the door, the fender, the hood, and the front bumper, all of which costed us a whopping $4,000. The paint shop that was painting this car said this was actually the second most expensive paint they've ever painted on a car. The first most expensive was a Ferrari. Because this car was so new, there was only a handful of paint shops that even mixed this kind of paint. This is a 3-stage chameleon, so it's extremely expensive. The shop that was doing the work said they should technically be charging me $1,000 more, but we agreed on a price ahead of time. It is what it is. This back wheel had some damage on the actual wheel itself. One rim for this car is $1,100 from the dealer. I wasn't about to buy a new rim, so we had a repair shop fix it, and that costed us to fix it and paint it $305. And the final cost was to register the car, which was $2,700 going straight to the Minnesota government. All in all, the final number for this 2023 Nissan Z was $42,775. This is definitely the most expensive car that I have ever built with a salvage title, and honestly, I don't regret not one bit of it. This car has been so much fun to drive. It's an absolute neck breaker. I think this is some of the best bang for your buck you can get. This one's almost pushing 500 horsepower to the rear wheels. This car just never gets old. With that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next build. Peace.